Pleasant and wonderful morning again to my lovely family, Caymanas Paradise family. It's a pleasure to be back with you and to present this show to you like we always do, and we expect to do it in the best possible way. So, as we always say to you, this is the Banker program, this Railbird Corner program, and I must give more than one banker as usual. So we must give each and every one of our family a chance to see what is what. Yes. And before I get into this banker thing, as I told you, one banker does not work because people have different thoughts and different views on other bankers. So we must allow them to see if they are privileged to have the same view like us and then think confident on that. Yes, I must say I am Oliver Buchanan. As you know that Bash is the more popular name or the regular name, but Oliver Buchanan is here as Bash. And then we go over to Mr.
Junior Fender.
Yes, Mr. Junior Fender is along with me. As you know, we are the one who run the Railbird Corner segment on 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 this program, this Caymanas Paradise program. Yes, we're gonna swiftly go into our bankers, and we are gonna go to fourth race, number 7, Secret Sensation, and that should give Bebito Harvey a welcome and a blooming return in the saddle, with his first one being a victorious one, as I am expecting Secret Sensation to take this one away. He has been accompanying Burning Edge in the morning, and that's a winner. He has been working with he is working with a winner. He has worked with a winner in the past. Burning Edge did come and run second, beat Miss Bonnie Penny, who won 2 races already. So we must say Secret Sensation is expected and confidently expected to take this one away, especially with the oppositions not looking that strong to me. They are youngsters and we are here watching them, and I must can say something about them. Yes, our next banker is 7th race, number 3, Maggie's Tricks. I'm going to take Maggie's Tricks, knowing that Maggie's Tricks has looked definitely different since her last race. She's a picture of health. Look at her in the ring when she appears. She is so much confident. Is emphasis is so much confidence is gonna be placed in Maggie's trick here. She has not gone any enterprising workout, but I can say she looks sound and look a renewed racehorse. So Maggie's Trick is my second banker, number 7 race, horse number 3. And in the 10th race, I'm gonna be going with Princess Amali, number 10. So we have number 10 in the 10th, Princess Amali. Princess Amali was a little unfortunate, especially at the start when Blue Sensation veered right and caused some interference to her. She did face another set of adversity throughout the race, but approaching the 6, she had to snatch up a little as Sneaky Fox came over with Rags to Riches, and then approaching Rags to Riches again at the half mile. He attempted to go inside. He was kind of shut off. He switched to the outside, and then he was being banked again, and then he had to pass on the inner. So he had to move. He had to make 3 attempts to pass Rags to Riches, which caused a little slow down for her. She had to hesitate too much in that race. So I think Princess Amali, even with the competition, still good enough to face her strong. She is good enough to win this race, and I'm going to take Princess Amali because she's coming back strong and looking really good after her last one. We're going to the extended first choice. We're going to save outsiders for last this week. We are going to give the winners first so we don't mix it up. You don't wonder who is the extended first choice. But next, in the sixth race, number 7, Money Must, is one of my extended first choice. So Money Must look very different. He ran well after being slow at the start. He faced a little bundling, but this time he got the whole 5 straight. Yes, horses can come across him because he's drawn almost in the center, but I think Money Must will see races better today after these run and this little small cool out that he got. It will help him to be one of my extended first choice and capitalize on a win here. My next extended first choice, which of 2, is Surgeon. 8th race, number 4, Surgeon. Surgeon did well in the circumstance last night. Last time he was looking a renewed individual. He looked so different, and he emphasized he capitalized on the confidence placed in him. And I must emphasize that if Surgeon is the same or better, he will win this. Even if Surgeon is just a little beyond what we saw in himself last week, he still is taken as one of my extended first choice. My next 2 now is my 2 outsiders. 8th race, number 11, Heroine. She looks good. She looks really good. And Heroine is not going to be expected to be a horse that is fully and well supported. So we can consider her as an outsider and one to watch and get in the exotics. 9th race, Social Mischief. 9th race, Social Mischief, number 10 again in the 9th race. Social Mischief didn't do badly when she finished 7th, and I think she can come a few places up. Looking at her at the exercise, she looks nice. She looks as if she's gonna do herself some justice and do herself proud. Even if not winning, she can get herself among the exotics crew. So respect is due every time. That is all my selection so far. I have done my bankers, I have done my extended first choice, and I just finished my outsiders to watch. So we must, we're gonna ask all the people, all of our family to give us the support, the likes, the shares, the subscribe, and then we know that we are getting that support from you, which we are asking you for. We are supporting you, you are supporting us. So big it up to my crew and my family as we go over to Mr. Junior Fender and is part of this program, this Puntas, this Railbird Corner.
Yes, good morning. And let me say, Bash, I know while we were in the lobby, yeah, you did mention, say, I have a special congratulation for you. So I
Yes,
would
and
love,
those trainers you mentioned last week, especially that Fremantle who did it and did it hard. They got a hard ball on that march and shoot victory there.
yes,
So, and you did say Wacky Lynch, you did say Jason DaCosta, you did say Gary Sobriety, and they are the ones who starred the show. They are the ones to highlight based on what took place on the last race day. So, hats off to you, Mr. Fender. Good
yes,
going on last
and,
week's.
and thanks. And I must say, this is what the Caymanas Punters Paradise have to share with all the interesting, the old one and the new ones, the membership base of the show,
Yes.
because we are doing our part and, you know, not taking anything away, but just tell us a little about the Toba sale, because I saw you in the mix right
Yes, the
around.
Toba sale, I would consider it good
Yes,
because horses were sold for reasonably good amount. I thought what 5 million was 5.8 million was the highest money that was ours was sold for, and that is okay. I think that is good enough. I thought we once sold for 4 point something even before that one, and we were getting some million and odd, some 2 million and odd, some 3 million and odd. So it was okay enough. As I never saw all of it, as I was being distracted by some other issues, relevant issues. But as far as what I saw during my time there, it was good. I can say that people really supported the thing and horses were selling. So can't complain.
And it is said that I think 105 million was, the total sales
Oh, it was a
achievement.
total calculation for sales on the
Yes,
day.
yes,
Okay.
and that is pretty good.
Yes,
And
that's
we
not
like it.
bad.
I
Yes.
know one day you're gonna throw in some money into it and get your own horses.
Yeah, sometime I'm maybe buying my horse, purchasing my horse.
Yes,
Yeah, or have some money in the claiming system to do whatever, but
right. So
yeah,
so
so
our racing is really really interesting,
yeah,
and
and we
and
can encourage people to
and,
do the same
and the
because we are
world.
in, it is within our intention and capacity to go and get a horse to buy at the sale whenever it comes around. So
Yes,
we are giving people the proper and trying to influence people to also do so. This is our game, so we have to give it the support.
right. Well, I know we're gonna switch over to other important
To your
areas.
thing, your detail, your facts and your figures.
Yes, and
Yes.
one thing I just want to remind um, all the stakeholders that the United Racehorse Trainers Association race will be run. Anything on that, Bash? Can you?
The United Association.
Yeah,
Yes, I took a banker there.
you took a bunker.
Yes, 10 in the 10, Princess
10.
Amali. So I have
Oh,
much more. I don't have much more to say on that.
okay. All right. So we have some stables that we just want to say big up and say to listeners, give a look in on these stables. The Gary Sobrati stable, the Winston Morris stable, and the Marlon Pusick stable. I think we can have surprises coming from these. So give them a look in. They don't have much numbers running, but um, you know they are
They
pretty
can
good.
be effective.
And also, we want to big up all the jockeys, our local jockeys that, applying the trade internationally. And they are all back. They are all here. Bash, I know you are so upbeat about seeing them on the
Yes, you're
workouts.
talking about the jockeys who
Yeah,
were abroad and
yeah,
has returned.
yes,
Yes, yes,
yeah,
I saw a few of them. Well, I
right,
even spoke with a couple of them. We supposed to do a few on the show there.
yes.
Yeah.
And we, I can say, Jason Simpson. I saw him on the work. Trevor, Trevor, Trevor Simpson, Larry Allen, Shane Ellis, Dane Darkin, as you all know, is here. Jay Patterson is also here. Samantha Fletcher is also here. Andre Powell is also here. Dean Edwards is also here. And Andrew Wright, they are here. And it's good to see them, you know, come back home to light up the park. And when I say light up the park, Tevin Foster, Radish Roman, Dane Dawkins, I am saying, and Christopher Mamdine, I am saying, I think they are going to do some surprises performance wise. And they are the jockeys to watch. And I would say to each and every one, all of our supporters, thanks for the level of support. I can feel it when I go in the street. I'm hearing it internationally. I get a call saying, hey, your Punter's Paradise program show is, we don't want to, but I'm just saying what they are saying, is one of the best show in the industry right now.
No, we are not bragging, but we are just gonna give it realistically. People are saying that this show is the best show where this kind of show is concerned. They gave us the props, and I am appreciating and loving it so much. We have had a few comments that are going sideways or backways or negative, then, if we are to use a general word. But we respect and appreciate people commending us and telling us that we are doing a great job. It is said in the comments, we met people physically and they are giving it like we are saying it now. So give a thanks to the Most High and love our family who appreciate and love us. Respect to Michelle, you know we cannot left out Michelle Evans, Miss Mishibu. She's
Yes.
the boss lady. And big up to Mr. Fender again. And I must give myself a big up and all the props for making people believing in me and showing some confidence. So
And
love
finally,
is lovely and war is ugly. Peace and love. Go to
big,
Mr.
a
Fender say.
special big up for the baby like family.
Oh my word, that baby like baby love family. My gosh, we love them so much. The entire family. We are
Yes.
always rooting for them and supporting them. If they are gonna run last, if I don't bring their ass in a race and they win, I would feel as if it's the winner that I buy when they win. I'm happy for them like they won for me. So big up the baby like family. Big up all the trainers, the jockeys, the groom, the stable riders, and all the stable assistant, and big up to all the horses. We love you. This is our game. This is the equine sport, and we are coming like a piece of equinox.
Right.
All right.